What do you do if you can't find the will? Received a call today from a person that was related to it. Sometimes in these videos I don't want to give away too much. Even though you don't know the person, I don't mention names. I mention nephew or niece, aunt or uncle, right? So sometimes I start the story in a fractured way because I'm trying not to reveal confidence. Circumstances are, a person passed away and the will couldn't be. I was contacted by a relative that believes and understands that a will was drawn up, leaving a piece of property to this individual. And the presumption is, in the law, it says, if you cannot produce the original will, the thought is that the maker of the will revoked it. They threw it out. They tore it up. So you have to produce the original will, and a will is not required to be recorded anywhere during the life of the person. This person called me and said, I understand there is a will. My relative told me that there was a will, but it can't be found. And this person believes that another relative went into the home, took the will, and destroyed it because it didn't provide any advantage to that person to produce the will. That person was not receiving the property. And if there was no will, that person's going to receive a share of the property. What to do? In that situation, supposed facts as related to me, you can't do anything. How do you prove a negative? How do you prove that there was a will and that the will said what you think it said and that it should be the document brought to the court? Could it have been that this relative did in fact make a will a number of years ago and then changed his mind? Well, that could be. That could be why the will wasn't discovered. Could it be that the relative wanted to make a will to say that and never did? Yeah, that could have happened too. If you have a person that has told you, I'm going to put you in my will, should do what you can to receive that will during their life or to have it placed in a safe location. I don't really always recommend a safe deposit box because of certain circumstances. That would have been a better place than, the sock drawer or the file cabinet, because someone that has a vested interest in not producing that will could take a mischievous action. Please safeguard your estate plan, will, or trust in a safe place. Give it to your executor. Make sure that that trusted person takes the appropriate steps at your passing or the passing of a loved one.